Samsung's top smartphones are some of the best-looking ones out there with a unique style that you can easily recognize. Usually, their Galaxy S Ultra phones have a more square shape with sharp corners, while the regular Galaxy S phones have rounded corners. But the Galaxy S25 Ultra might change that usual design. According to tipster Exynos, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will not have sharp corners. This is different from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has corners that can be uncomfortable and dig into your hands if you don't use a case. If this is true, Samsung is making their phones more comfortable to hold. However, it's not clear if the whole corner will be curved or just the edges will be more rounded. In any case, it looks like Samsung is trying to fix the issues with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The new phone will be announced early next year, and we'll probably learn more about its design by the end of this year. A surprising rumor from Korea says that Samsung might use MediaTek Dimensity chips in the Galaxy S25 phones, which are set to launch next January. This means that along with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Samsung's own Exynos 2500, some Galaxy S25 phones could also have MediaTek Dimensity chips, possibly the Dimensity 9400. If this happens, the next Galaxy S25 phones could have 3 different types of processors in different markets. However, this isn't certain yet. The rumor only suggests that Samsung might do this, not that it has made a final decision. The idea behind this move is related to Qualcomm's rumored price increase for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and the low production success rate of the Exynos 2500. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is rumored to cost around $190-200, while the 8 Gen 4 might cost up to $260 per unit. The Exynos 2500 currently has a production success rate of about 40%, but 60% is needed for mass production. Samsung aims to improve this by August. If the Exynos production rates stay low and considering how expensive Qualcomm's next chip will be, it might make sense for Samsung to include MediaTek in the mix. Alternatively, Samsung might use this possibility as a bargaining tool with Qualcomm. What can you expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Also, Galaxy S25 Ultra could bring a massive camera upgrade. According to a trusted source, Exynos, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will still have 4 cameras, but 2 of them will be upgraded with bigger and better sensors. The source shared on Weibo that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Most other Android brands now use 50-megapixel or higher sensors for their high-end phones, but Samsung's stuck with 10-megapixel and 12-megapixel sensors for the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras on its top Galaxy S phones. It's good to hear Samsung has big upgrades planned for next year. The Galaxy S25 Ultra should be able to record 8K video with all its rear cameras. There are also rumors that Samsung might use a new 200-megapixel sensor for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, possibly closer to a 1-inch size, which could greatly improve camera quality. Details about the cameras on the regular Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are still unknown. Since the Galaxy S25 will be announced early next year, we should start getting more information in the coming months. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.